everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing the unboxing of the NG models on the 400 scale American Airlines 737-800 and the flagship Liberty livery. So let's get into it right away. So this is the part 2 of the 3 model unboxing. So I'm so excited for this. Oh my man, it's an amazing model. This was, as I said before, July 2019 release, so I wouldn't say a year ago, but then NG was kind of a new company. They weren't as established as now. But there we have the model. Oh my man. Honestly, it's amazing. This off to the side. So now let's go into the detail with the model. Okay, so on the front here we have the cockpit windows, then the nose, then we have the blue, yellow, and blue, white, and red stripes. Then it's American titles. Then we have the antenna on the bottom, then the engine, which is pointing down a little bit. It seems like it's going down, but that's only, you may seem only like it. And then we have the main nose wheel there. Then moving down we have the emergency overwing exits. Then we have the antenna. On the winglet it says AA.com, as well as the small yellow ribbon. Then it says flagship Liberty in support of all who serve. Registration is November 905 Alpha November, and then it's AA on the tail with the yellow ribbon. And then like this, look at the detail on it. Oh my man, it's amazing. And on this side it's all the same. So now I'll rate it. To be honest, I tried to find something wrong about it, but I just couldn't find anything wrong about this model. So I'll just give it a 10 out of 10. It's a perfect model. There's nothing wrong about it. The livery is amazing. This yellow and the box as well. Look at the box. It's like, well, there's nothing to say about it. It's well done, NG. This is a amazing model. I highly recommend you get it. The detail on it is also amazing. It features all the right antennas. The titles are nice. Flagship Liberty. So yeah, it is an amazing model in general. So I'll give it a 10 out of 10 rating. First time a model gets 10 out of 10. And to be honest, it's my new favorite model out of my collection. And the NG, they're just amazing. So I highly recommend you buy this model when you have chance. I know this is a quick unboxing, but there's nothing really wrong with it. The gear, I show you the bottom. Look at all this detail on the underside of the engine, and then the nose wheel door, then the other engine. Look at all this detail. You even have the APU exhaust door there. It's truly amazing. So yes, 10 out of 10 rating. So the gear, 10 out of 10, the modes, 10 out of 10, detailed, everything 10 out of 10 basically. So yeah, this concludes this short unboxing of this American Airlines 737 and the flagship Liberty livery. As I said, amazing model, highly recommend you buy it. And that's it for me, and I see you back in the next video.